There's a new AI content style quietly gaining momentum right now, and very few creators are paying attention to it. These jelly-style AI videos are visually satisfying, highly shareable, and perfect for short-form platforms. One account built around this concept has already attracted over 76,000 followers simply by posting videos in this format. The best part? You can create them without advanced editing skills or expensive software. In this video, I'll show you the complete workflow from idea generation to the final video. To make the process easier, I've prepared a master prompt. You'll find it in the description. Copy the prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste the master prompt into the chat and send it. ChatGPT will instantly generate multiple video concepts based on this niche. Review the ideas and choose the one you like most. For this example, I'll go with idea number 4. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed video prompt for you. Copy the generated prompt and open Google Flow. Switch to video generation mode. Select your preferred aspect ratio and output settings. For the best results, choose the Omni Flash model. Paste the prompt, click Generate, and wait for the video to render. Once the generation is complete, review the result. Now, let's create another variation. Go back to ChatGPT and type number 10. ChatGPT will instantly generate a completely new video prompt. Copy the new prompt, return to Google Flow, paste it, and click Generate again. Within moments, your second video will be ready. Using this workflow, you can create an unlimited number of unique videos with different concepts and characters. When you're satisfied with the output, export the video in the highest quality available. The workflow is simple, efficient, and easy to scale for consistent content creation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.